This is a plugin I call Placement Token. So this will let you move an element, as long as you can edit the HTML of the element, you can move it as the page loads into a different place. Now, normally you have full control. If this is my layout, I can move my stuff wherever I want, just in the admin. This is in section 2, but let's say I want this in section 4. I can just put it in section 4 normally, but let's say I'm in a layout where I may not have the liberty of moving a specific element to another section. So this will happen on the community home, and there's other layouts like perhaps a meeting detail. We may want to add elements in different sections. But so let's pretend we're on our community home and we can edit that HTML, but we need to put a few different things in our community HTML. It's all only going to show up in one layout across all the community homes. So if I look back at this page, this is what I want to move. Let's move this thing. And in the admin, let's say I have to keep it in section 2. I can use the placement token. So I'm in HTML mode. So I've got a class on this. So kind of in the same way we had a class, we can add a data attribute. And this one is called data place target equals. So I'm going to be targeting, now here's my layouts. That's section 4. I know it has a class called section 4 on it. So I'm going to say data place target equals, that's section 4. Nothing will happen yet until I view the front end of the page. So it's still there. It looks like it's in 2, but now if I view, it moved it over to section 4. So it's a pretty easy way to move certain elements that are all part of one content item, like on the community home. I can move it to different parts of the page.